In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add variables in Bolt.new version. We'll start by opening your browser and heading to Bolt.new. This takes you to the Bolt AI workspace where you can manage your projects and prompts. Give it a moment to load. Once you're in, you'll see the main navigation on the left, which is where we'll do most of our work. Next, look to the left-hand sidebar and choose Projects. This view shows all the projects you have access to. At the top, you'll see a search field designed to help you find what you need quickly. Click into the search field and type the name or a keyword from the project you're looking for. Even partial matches typically surface what you need, so don't worry if you don't remember the exact title. If you work with a lot of projects, this step saves time and keeps you focused. When you see the project you want, click it to open. This takes you into the project's workspace where you can view and edit the prompt. Take a quick moment to confirm you're in the right place by checking the project name and any visible context or description. It's always worth verifying before you make changes, especially in shared environments. Now, in the prompt area, type what you want to add, including the variables you plan to use. Think of variables as placeholders that will be filled dynamically later, like names, dates, or product details. Use clear, consistent names so they're easy to understand and reuse. Many teams choose a simple, readable style for variable names, avoiding spaces and keeping things lowercase with underscores. Keep your surrounding text descriptive so the model understands how each variable should be used. If your project uses a specific placeholder format, stick to that convention to ensure everything is recognized properly. When your prompt looks good, click Submit. Bolt will process the prompt and show you the result. Watch for any spots where a placeholder didn't resolve the way you expected. This usually points to a typo, an unsupported character in the variable name, or a mismatch with your project's variable format. Make small, focused adjustments if needed, and submit again to confirm the output aligns with your intent. Clear variable names, consistent formatting, and concise surrounding instructions will improve reliability and make collaboration smoother for your team. That's it. You went to Bolt AI, found your project with search, opened it, added your variables directly in the prompt, and submitted to see the results. Thanks for watching and happy building in Bolt.